Good evening. My topic of discussion centers around the focus of whether exercise can bring a positive influence and improvement in mental health. First, what is exercise? Exercise is defined as any physical activity that brings an improvement of overall wellness of the individual. It can involve the process of increased muscular and cardiac strength and endurance, as well as weight loss and maintenance. It also can prevent aging and be an avoidance to family disease histories such as heart issues and diabetes. What are the other benefits that are biological and mentally based? The biological benefits to exercise simply put, it can bring improvement in sleep and memory. It has become a factor that brings in reduction in stress, which can relate to our lives, and improves your sense of self-satisfaction through accomplishments of goals, and brings self-improvement and self-esteem as the body image improves over time. Mental benefits, which are the focus in my research, exercise can become alternative treatment for symptoms of depression, anxiety, mood, and ADHD and hyperactivity. Based on the results of studies such as those conducted at the Walden University stated there was an overall depressive symptoms and stress by university students by 73%. Additionally, a complying of 66 students since 2011 verified the positive results of the use of exercise and bringing improvement in mental health, but also highlighted the necessity of connecting the motivation factors in exercise routine as in the self-determined principle. But finally, the issue of obesity and worldwide problem that has demonstrated a steady increase over the past 100 years. It becomes a mandated issue that exercise be a part of everyone's life style, even on a low or moderate level, to produce a healthy future society for us all.